Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends again. I am going to go over the letter sound cards with you, but this week it's going to be a little bit different, okay? We are only going over the letters that we have done our I Spies, our letter crafts, and our handwriting on, okay? So it's just 11 letters that we're working on this week, okay? So I'm going to put them out of order and not the way that we learned them, okay? So here we go, friends. Okay, we have, you ready? I want you to do these with Mrs. Hensley, okay? I, itch, I. U, up, M, man, G, game, g. O, octopus, ah. B, bat, b. N, nut, n. F, fun, f. T, top, t. A, apple, a. C, cat, k. Okay, one more time and then we're done, okay? One more time, same letters. I, itch, I. U, up, M, man, G, game, g. O, octopus, ah. B, bat, b. N, nut, n. F, fun, f. T, top, t. A, apple, a. C, cat, ka. Very good, friends. I am going to start something in just a little bit with ending sounds, a new video with ending sounds. So I hope you enjoyed doing our letter sound cards. Like I said, we only did 11, but we did them twice, okay? So I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon with ending sounds. Bye, friends.